welcome to my channel. My name is Kimberly. Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I'm so nervous. Okay, so for today's video, I'm doing my everyday makeup, and this is a makeup look that I usually do when I want to actually do my makeup for school or just run errands, meet up with friends, something very fast for me. And it's also great for the summertime because it's very glowy, fresh faced. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Please join. Subscribe. So first I'm going to start off with primer, and today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless primer to make sure my makeup has something to stick onto and it'll last a little longer. Next, I'm going to go in for foundation with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I am in the shade Golden Beige. I just grabbed the spatula that it comes with and I apply it on my beauty blender like this. I just keep applying it and then I blend that into my face. Never forget to get your neck. Next, after foundation, I'm going to go in with concealer, and I love the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This is in the shade Neutralizer. Just like that. You're done with the look. Just kidding, we gotta blend. Don't forget to blend. Next, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. I really love this powder. And with the Morphe G35. And I like to set my under eyes first, and anywhere I put concealer, and then set the rest of my face. Next, we're going to move on to eyebrows, and I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. My shade is in dark brown, so I just comb up my brow hairs, and I like to start at the tail and then slowly move my way forward. That way the front of my brows are not as harsh. Do you guys see the difference brows make? Brows are everything. So to set my brows, I love the NYX Control Freak. It makes me feel safe knowing my brows aren't gonna go anywhere. I always like running through a little bit of bronze. Oh my god, sis. I'll be right back. Where's my bronzer? I know she's not eyeshadow, but this is my favorite eyeshadow ever. I know it's a bronzer. It's not a scam. This is the NYX matte bronzer in the shade medium. Literally all of this is from my eyes. I have not put this on my face. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M441 brush, little blending brush, and just put a little bit in my crease. This bronzer is such a neutral kind of color. Well, it's a little more on the orange side. If you don't like oranges, this probably won't be your favorite, but I feel like it's just a little some light, you know? I'm gonna go in with this other fluffy brush. Ooh, she's a little bad. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna put her on the rest of my lids. So now with that eyeshadow, I'm gonna run it through my lower lash line. This is my favorite lower lash line brush. It's from Morphe. It's the M169. I'm gonna just put that under. If you have a lot of like under eye like creases, like wrinkles, I like to take my lower lash line shadow a little further down, and it kind of covers it a little more. So if you need a little concealing, just run the eyeshadow down a little further. I know I look a little crazy right now, but we're gonna move on to bronzer, and my favorite bronzer is the Bahama Mama by the Balm. it does get a little low sometimes, so I'm going to go in with the Airspun translucent powder and bake under my contour or my bronzer. Just grab a little powder like that. I don't let it bake for so long because I don't want it to be like whoosh. So I just... Next is blush. I use Milani Luminoso. I use this Lancome fluffy brush. It's probably for powder, but there are no rules to makeup, okay? There are no rules. Next, we're gonna finish up the eyes. I know I go out of order with my makeup, but I don't know, that's just how I do it. I'm gonna start by curling my lashes. So now we're gonna move on to mascara, and I have a lot of favorite mascaras. An OG classic is the L'Oreal Telescopic. Okay, I also like the Bigshot mascara by Maybelline. My most favorite lower lash mascara is the Scuba waterproof formula by the Balm. This, guys, when it's hot outside, you need a good lower lash. I'm gonna go in with a L'Oreal Telescopic first. The L'Oreal Telescopic does a really good job at lengthening and separating your lashes, but for someone who's become so addicted to fake lashes, this doesn't do it for me as much anymore. So I like kind of layer my mascara to make it a little thicker, to give the illusion that I have a little more going on. So next I'm gonna go in with the Scuba waterproof mascara for my lower lashes. So I finished my lower lashes, and I also cleaned up with a Q-tip to get any little bits I got on my skin. You can honestly stop here with the eyes, but I always like going in with a black eyeliner just to make my eyes pop a little more and my eye color just stand out a bit. So I like the Lancome, just the black eye kohl pencil. See how much better it looks? That's why I cannot miss this step. I love eyeliner. This brings me to life, okay? This is my favorite highlighter ever. If you need a good highlighter, this girl right here. It's so beautiful. I like to use the Morphe 501 brush. I just swirl that baby in. A little signature touch is the nose highlight. So I cannot forget to always highlight the tip of my nose. That's so important to me. Lastly, we're gonna go back to the eyes and add that little pop on the inner corner. And my favorite inner corner and nose highlight brush is the Morphe E36. It's just a little pencil brush, but it's so good. It's so good.
Sis!
Sis!
You look like a bowl of oatmeal.
Thank you. Lastly is lips. I'm gonna line my lips with the Rimmel London liner. My absolute favorite lip gloss is the Buxom lip cream in the shade White Russian, and I'm just gonna put that on my lips for a little gloss, okay? I'm just gonna spray my face with Mario Badescu facial spray. I like to let it melt into my skin, so I just do a little spritz. Let her dry, and that's it. Alright guys, that is my everyday makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would really appreciate reading any comments or suggestions you have down below, so please don't forget to comment. Like this video, I will really appreciate it so much, and subscribe, and I hope to see you for more videos. Bye!